Hello friends, this is SK Tariqul Islam. I welcome you to my channel, and in this channel I am sharing the tutorial on Python, and our today's topic will be adding items in the list. Okay, in my previous video I have already discussed about how we can change any item in the list or how we can access the items in the list. So if you have any confusion about list, or actually what is list, how what are the syntax of the list, and what are the characteristics of list, and how we can actually form a list, so please watch out my previous video, and I hope you will have a clear understanding regarding any list. And a list is very important because we got to work with this list. Often we actually analyze the data using Python language, and as for a big data or for any data science, Python is the most convenient language. So let's not talk much, so directly jump into my today's topic, and today we'll learn about how that is add items in the list. Okay, so and before getting into the topic, I just want to thank you guys because you are already supporting me, and you are watching my video. So I got hundreds of views in my content, and also you have subscribed me, you are giving me the motivation, and this enhance me. Being a newbie or being a learner, this motivation, this inspiration, this motivation works a lot. So I am really grateful to you, and I will keep on trying to improve myself and giving you the quality content so that you guys can learn Python like me. Being a newbie is what I am learning, how I am learning. So that the whole process I am sharing. Actually, what I am doing here I am actually trying to share the concept of every syntax of Pythons, and today we will learn about a new syntax, that is how we can add items in the list. Okay, and to do so we will take help from a very renowned website called W3 School, and this is a very helpful website. You guys can also check out this website to learn Python. Not only Python, there are lots of languages, lots of things you can acquire knowledge from this website. So a list, adding list, to add an items to the end of the list. And what syntax we use? We often use append. Okay, append. This append, this is actually the Python method, and this method helps to add any items, any new items which is not within the list, at the end of the list. Okay, say for example, we can see we have created a list, and I have given the list name X, and I want to add orange. This is a list of fruits, for apple, banana, and cherry, and I want to append, or I want to add another items in the list, and the item name is orange because I am very fond of orange, and I would definitely want this orange to my basket so that I can have it. Okay, so to do so I have used a syntax called append. Okay, so append, what this append function does, this append function actually insert these orange items at the end of this list. Okay, if you just if I just show you that this will be placed at the end of the list, and say for example, if I just run the code, I can see that the orange has already been added. So if I want to add any list, and if it is at the end, then there is no problem. Directly jump into append this function, and it will be added to your list. Okay, and another items, or another function, and in Python, since it's an object oriented program, so every function is called insert. Okay, so I want to insert orange not at the end. I want to insert orange at the yes, I want to orange here. Say for example at the index value 1, that is here I want to append just this index. I want that orange should be after apple and then banana then cherry. Okay, so do so, that is if I mention the index value, the one, the where this orange will be replaced or where will be this placed, then if I mention the index value and I know this is the index value as 0 1 2 then I want that this place will be replaced, this index value will be occupied by this orange. To do so, I just, if I run that, I can see that already orange has been indexed at the index value 1. So if I want to place any value in a particular index number or any item in the particular in any particular index value, then we use insert syntax. Okay, then after that we have another function, another method, and this method is called extend. And what this extend does, this extends does a very simple thing, that is I have two lists and I want to copy the items from list number 2 to list number 1. Okay, so if I wanna do so, that is to copy from any items of another list, we use these extend functions. Okay, so or extend method. If I directly jump into this and if I just make it, say for example this is x and this is y, and after that I want this compiler to copy the value of y at x and I want to print x. Let's see what happens. I can see what's the problem. Sorry, this should be x. So I can see that these are the value from x and these are the value from y. So I have directly copied from y to y to x. So this, if I want to copy any value from a particular list, then directly I can use it. And this extend function can be used, not only extend, insert, then append, these functions we can use everywhere. We can use in set, we can use in tuple, we can use in dictionary as well. So these are really important and useful concept of, or I must say methods. This will definitely help us, because I request everyone to understand the list and its function in list and its methods very well, so that these all are similar to use in other segment like say tuple and dictionary. So if we clear our concept here, then definitely this will help to understand the rest of the concept. So and also we can use some extraordinary functions. Say for example there are some problem with the there will be some changes in tuple, in set, in dictionary, so we got to convert the things. So if we understand the list very carefully, very minutely, rest of the topic will be very easy for us to understand. So thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. I personally wanna be grateful to you, so because you guys are helping me a lot. And also I request you to subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon, and so that when I upload any new content you get a notifications. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. If you don't like, even make a criticism at the comment box so that I can rectify myself. I have already several times told you that I am a newbie and I am learning Python from a scratch, and I'm learning from online. I am trying to share my knowledge through this channel. This will help me in two sides. One, this improves my communication skill, my English speaking skill, and also this clears my concept my understanding, and I also request everyone to do so, so that you guys will be benefited like me. And last but not the least, thank you so much for watching my video, and must subscribe and also hit the bell icon, and make a comments how and what are the limitations I have, so that I can there is overcome from these limitations and share the knowledge with you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.